Alright guys and girls, welcome back in 4K. Today is Wednesday 29th of March, it's 18:31. I'm in the garden at the moment. Just planted 3 roses. Well, that one I'd done yesterday. That's that one there, that's the rose plant. That's actually the garden abundance bush. So this is going to be a huge bastard. Huge, I say huge. So that means what I'm going to have to do, because it's going to spread out anyway, it's going to start spreading out and it's going to go over this side. So I'm going to have to keep trimming it down, so around the backs and all of that, so it doesn't spread out everywhere. Even though it's going to spread out anyway everywhere. And here we've got a nice colourful one already. Got the flowers actually sprouting on there already with the green, the reds. This is ones I bought yesterday. And this is called the Bloomin' Abundance. This is a climbing rose. Even though it's for climbing, I don't want it actually as a climbing, so I might have to put a few sticks around it to get it up to where it should be. So I might have to put a few sticks around it, just plunk them in, just to hold them up and just to go right round. So yeah, I might have to do it that way. And also we have here the Abundance Bush Rose, another bush. So that's 2 bushes. I've got 1 bush there, 2 bushes there. That's 2 bushes. And then we've got the climbing rose. So what we could do, we get the 2 bushes, I suppose. Get the one in the middle with the climbing rose. We can go right round to try and attach these 2 maybe. Try and attach them onto the bush. I don't know. It's probably a bad idea anyway. Let us know in the comments, guys and girls, if you know anything about these gardening and stuff, like gardening tips. If you got any tips or any ideas. But I was thinking, I'll put this in the middle. I've got my what do you call it? Beetroots. I've just put in, so I'll put some beetroots there. I'll put some actually beetroots just over here. I've got my tomatoes here, and I've got another lot of tomatoes here as well. So I've got a couple tomato plants going along, so they're going to be mixed in with each other. So I'm hoping I've spread them out enough, like in the area. So I'm hoping with the 2, actually I've got this one here as well. This is like the little border trellis I've got there, so I'm going to have to work around. Now I've got this one here, this hole. This is to put my next rose in, which I'm just about to put in. So I'll be right back in 2 seconds, guys. Right, so this is the one from yesterday that I picked up. It's an orange abundance. This is actually a climbing rose as well, so maybe we could get the 2 climbing ones to climb over each other, sort of like going over like an arch. So hopefully we can get that sorted out at some point when it gets really tall and all that. Apparently they grow quite quick, someone said. This is by a company called Harkness. So yeah, only £4.97. Not bad though, not bad, especially what it does to bloom everything up. So we've got the hole here. We're going to put this into that hole there. So usually they say more water. So what we're going to do, we're going to put a little bit of dirt in there first. I'll put some of the seeds in there, the plant foods from the rose. So that's rose plant food in there. So got that. So mix that in there. It's actually quite clayish as well, and because we live down in Somerset, it's quite clay. So very clay. So we go. Oh shit! Right, there we go. Now what we're going to do is going to fill this up. They say with water to put a lot in, especially with rose plants, because you need to drown the poor bastards, because they're going to need a drink anyway. Because so I'll put that in there quite up a lot, because they actually quite suck a lot of this shit up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause this a second and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm just finishing off for this anyway, guys and girls. So if you enjoy these videos, do subscribe to the channel. As always, I've been Anthony Kent Bishop. Cheers for watching.